Alright then, we've got here a 2015 Vauxhall Mokka. It's the little 1.4 start-stop version. Nice little cars. If any of you have ever tried to do a heater blower motor on one of these, you'll see what I'm up against. If you haven't, hopefully this will become very, very useful for you. I wish I'd had this video myself. First off, you've got this part here, which is up under the dashboard. That's held on with 3 screws, one at the back, and then those 2 there and there, which are just either side of the glove box. Remove that first. Then we've got this piece of ducting that sits up in here like that. That's just got a clip in it there. You just remove the plug from that and it pulls out. So that's the piece of ducting. Leave that out of the way. Then you've got this piece which actually sits up under the fan. It's got the main lead on it that goes to the heater control. Take that off. There's 3 screws holding that on as well. And then what you'll have, if you can see it there, is your heater fan. Alright, now that is then solid in there. Doesn't remove, can't find any way of getting it out other than taking the dashboard apart, which obviously I didn't want to do. So I went online and had a look around, couldn't find anything relating to Vauxhall Mokkas. I did actually find the Chevrolet equivalent of this car and somebody having the same problem that I had there. So I telephoned Vauxhall and asked them if there'd been a modification, and they said yes, they had. So I'll show you what we have to do. To get to this point, you need yourself a decent knife, and you actually have to, don't get a lot more, you actually have to cut, there's a membrane around the outside of the fan here. You have to cut that. It's a very, very small membrane of plastic. Cut that part out, and then the whole lot, with a little bit of wiggling and jiggling, will drop out. So there's your old fan. You can see where I've cut it out. It wasn't particularly tidy, but it doesn't seem to matter. So yeah, it comes out like that, which is, you know, you're in your cutting big holes in a £10,000 car, you do want to be wondering what you're doing, but that is how that comes out. That one was rough and noisy, so we know we've done a good job of replacing it. So throw that away. A new one, which is that one. Obviously you can stop the video here if you want to copy the part number. So your new one that comes out to you from Vauxhall, beautifully packaged. Beautifully packaged, but with 3 holes in it, which if we look at the original one, didn't look like that, same part, it doesn't have these holes. Now General Motors in have the fortune to put these 3 holes actually in there, like that, 1, 2, another one there, so you can just bolt it straight in. So there we go, you even get the bolts with it.